at a job site, I end up needing most of it. So that's the reason I have everything in here. But let's see. Okay, we're about to finish up in here and get all these locks installed. And yeah, that's about it right now. Okay, a lot of people believe that a master key, just pick up a key and it works in whatever lock. That doesn't work that way. What you need to do is first rekey a lock to fit a certain key. Like these customers, they called me to fit 8 different locks to the same key, and that's what I'm about to do right now. This is the key that fits this particular lock, and I'm gonna make it fit this key. So what do we do is remove this pin back here and thread it like this. By the way, I'm working inside my van, and we place this. And then what do we do next? We take this key to open up this cylinder. To rotate this cylinder like this, you put this tool in what is called a follower. Insert it like this. Remove. This is a six pin cylinder, and they wanted to fit a 5-pin cylinder. So what do? We see how the pins are lined up. If any of them will work. Nope. So we remove all of them. And I already know these cuts by heart. So what I'm going to do is choose the numbers, which is a 2, 5, 5, 7, 3. And we're looking at the charts Schleg, which is 2, 195, 240, 240, 2. So what do? We grab the first pin, which is 195, we place it in the first chamber, and then we take the other two, which is 240, 240, we'll place it in. That's the number 5 cut, the depth of the key. Then we go to 270, which is number 7, and then we go to 310, 210, which is a number 3 cut. And what you need to do is remove, since we're talking about a 6-pin and we want to make it a 5-pin, and remove the last tumbler from the. And then that should work. And the previous key does not work anymore. As you can see, this is my work van. I got a lot of stuff in here, which is too much. Too many stuff in here. Look, all the tools. I'm gonna need to get a bigger van or just get rid of some of these stuff. This is my work van, which is a 2018 Mercedes Metris. I insulated the inside and installed, my wife helped me install all these LED lights. It's pretty nice, but it's pretty small for all the stuff that I have. I'm just gonna have to get rid of a lot of these stuff, but when I do get rid of them,